In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays to Google Calendar. We're going to add birthdays through Google Contacts right inside Google Calendar, so they appear automatically as all-day events every year. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser while you're signed into your account. Once you're looking at your calendar, move your eyes to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a small vertical panel with icons. Click the one for contacts. If you don't see the panel, tap the little arrow at the bottom right to expand it. When the Contacts panel opens, choose Create Contact. This lets you add a brand new person whose birthday you want to track. If the person is already in your contacts, you can open that contact and edit it instead, but for now, we'll create a new one. A contact form will appear. Fill in the basic details you want to keep, like the person's name. You can add extra info such as an email or phone number if you want, but that's optional. What really matters here is the birthday field. Click into the birthday section and pick the correct month and day from the calendar. If you don't know the year, that's okay. Leave the year blank and it will still show up annually. Double check the date you selected before moving on. Birthdays are created as all-day events, so the day itself is what's important. When everything looks good, click Save. Give it a moment to sync. If you don't see the birthday appear right away on your calendar, refresh the page to prompt an update. After the refresh, scroll to the correct date, and you should see the person's name listed as an all-day birthday entry. It will repeat every year automatically, so you won't have to add it again. If you still don't see it, make sure your birthday's calendar is visible. In the calendar list, look for birthdays and toggle it on. Also keep in mind that large contact lists can take a minute to sync, and mobile devices might need a short moment before the new birthday appears. A quick tip: you can adjust whether you get alerts for birthdays by changing notification settings for the birthdays calendar, or you can add your own reminder event the day before if you prefer a heads up. And because this lives in your Google account, it will sync across your devices automatically. That's it. Add the contact, include the birthday, save, refresh, and you're done. Thanks for watching and happy planning.